Direct High Yield Savings Review 2025. Is it worth it? You won't believe how online savings accounts are changing in 2025. Direct offers high yield interest, no monthly fees, and easy online access, but is it really worth opening an account? The surprising truth is simplicity. Most people get this wrong by thinking high yield accounts require complex setups or minimum balances. Direct allows easy online enrollment, no maintenance fees, and low minimum deposit requirements, making it accessible to anyone looking to grow savings. One major advantage is returns. You won't believe what happens next when you see Direct offers interest rates significantly higher than traditional brick and mortar banks, often compounded daily. This helps your savings grow faster, especially when combined with consistent deposits. The account also emphasizes flexibility. Transfers between external accounts are seamless. Mobile and online banking are fully featured, and FDIC insurance ensures your funds are protected up to $0 per depositor. However, there are cons. Direct is online only, so there is no physical branch access. Some services like check deposits or cash handling may be limited, and interest rates can fluctuate with market conditions, meaning yields aren't guaranteed long-term. In conclusion, Direct High Yield Savings in 2025 is ideal for savers seeking competitive interest rates, no fees, and fully digital banking. While branch access and rate variability are considerations, the combination of accessibility, high returns, and security makes Direct a smart choice for growing your savings efficiently.